Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to walk through how we can draw a Gann box on Tradingview, step by step. Even if we've never used Gann tools before, the Gann box is a simple and practical way for us to analyze price and time relationships. This makes it easier for us to spot possible support, resistance, and trend structure. We'll keep things easy to follow as we go along so everyone can understand. First, let's make sure we're on a chart in Tradingview. On the left-hand toolbar, we'll click on the Gann and Fibonacci tools icon. This opens a menu with several Gann-based drawing tools. From this list, we need to select the Gann box. Now, to draw the Gann box correctly, we need to choose two important points on the chart. We'll click once on a significant swing high or swing low. This is going to be our starting point. Then we move our cursor to the next major swing, either a swing high or swing low, and click again. After this, the Gann box will appear on our chart. By default, the box shows horizontal, vertical, and diagonal divisions. These lines represent price levels, time intervals, and angle relationships, which are all important in Gann analysis. Now let's look at how we can customize it. If we double-click on the Gann box, the settings panel will open up. Here, we can adjust the number of levels, lines, colors, opacity, and decide whether we want angles or time divisions to be visible. For those of us just starting out, it's a good idea to keep things simple and focus on the main levels instead of adding too many divisions right away. We can also drag the corners of the box to fine-tune its placement if needed. It's always best to align it with clear price swings for more accurate analysis. If we are not sure, we can always adjust the box a bit more until it fits the major swings nicely. A quick tip for using the Gann box effectively: the horizontal levels often act as support and resistance. The vertical divisions help us see time cycles, and the diagonal angles can help us spot trend strength or weakness. Some common mistakes to avoid are placing the box on random price points, crowding our chart with too many Gann tools, and expecting the box to predict exact prices. Gann analysis works best when we combine it with market structure, trend direction, and confirmation tools, not by using it alone. If we use the Gann box together with other analysis methods, we can get a clearer picture of what's happening in the market. To recap, we open the Gann box tool, select the Gann box, place it between two major swing points, and then customize it for clarity. Once we get comfortable with it, the Gann box can be a powerful way for us to visualize price and time together. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Tradingview tutorials.